Sending bulk WhatsApp messages for marketing campaigns but worried about getting your number banned? Here I'll show you the complete WhatsApp bulk sender app for business marketing. As soon as I open the app, you can see it starts loading immediately. In the background, the system begins preparing everything that's required before the dashboard becomes available. Right here at the top, you can see the WhatsApp account status. This lets us know that the account is connected and ready for sending messages. Just below that, there's a quick overview section where you can monitor campaign activity and several additional tools that can be accessed anytime. Just tap on New Campaign. The first thing the app asks is how we want to add our contacts. There are several options available. You can manually enter phone numbers, select contacts directly from your phone, or import contacts from a file. For this example, I'm going to use the Import from File option. Once I tap it, the phone's file manager opens automatically. I already have a TXT file that contains all of my contact numbers, so I'll select it, and then tap the Load File button from below. The application starts processing the data. While that's happening, it's performing several tasks in the background. It's connecting with WhatsApp, reading contact information, extracting the numbers and removing any duplicate entries it finds. After the scan finishes, we're taken to the contact list. Here you can see every imported number displayed one by one. This gives you an opportunity to review the entire list before sending anything. At the bottom, it shows statistics like the total number of contacts detected, invalid numbers, and verified WhatsApp users. Everything looks good, so I'm going to tap Next. Now we're inside the message creation section. This is where we build our marketing campaign. The first field is the campaign name. For this demonstration, I'll use New Summer Collection. Next, we need to enter the message that will be delivered to our contacts. This could be a product announcement, a promotional offer, a seasonal discount, or any update you want your customers to receive. You can enable a message footer if needed and choose whether the campaign should be sent through WA Bulk Sender. Once everything is ready, I'll tap Next. Before sending begins, we have access to several delivery settings between messages, contacts, and groups. There are also some additional options that can be enabled. Skipping duplicate numbers, ignoring contacts that were already messaged, saving sending logs, and automatically retrying failed deliveries. You can even specify how many retry attempts should be made before the system gives up on a failed message. After configuring everything, it's time to start the campaign, so I'll tap Start Campaign. And now the sending process begins. As you can see, the application starts working through the contact list one by one. Every contact displays its current status in real time. Some messages may already show as sent, while others remain pending until their turn arrives. At the top, there's a progress indicator that continuously updates as the campaign moves forward. We can also monitor important statistics such as total contacts, successfully sent messages, pending messages, and failed deliveries. One feature that stands out here is the live progress section. Instead of wondering what's happening in the background, you can actually watch the campaign process each contact individually. As messages are delivered, recipients appear in the list with their updated status. Contacts that have already received the message are marked as sent, others remain pending until they are processed. This makes it very easy to track campaign activity in real time. You'll also notice an estimated time remaining indicator, which gives a rough idea of how long the campaign will take to complete. Eventually, the progress reaches 100% and every contact in the list has been processed. Once everything is finished, all campaign data is automatically saved in the campaign history section. The dashboard also provides a complete statistical overview including total campaigns, total messages, successful deliveries, and failed deliveries. Opening any campaign gives you additional details such as total contacts, sent messages, pending messages, and failed messages.